Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y72 5G, and let me share with you how to change the language on this device, the system language. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom in order to find system. Now let's tap on languages and input and tap on languages. And as you can see here we've got the list of all previously added languages, so let's tap on add a language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do right now is to simply find the language you would like to set and tap on it. I will pick French, so let me tap on it. Sometimes you will be also able to pick the region, so simply tap on the region you would like to set, and as you can see our newly chosen language immediately appears on this list, but the English language is still a main one. So in order to change the language, all you have to do is to simply tap on the language you would like to set and hold it, and as you can see right now you can move it. So let's drag it to the very first position and wait, and as you can see it actually immediately changes, and from now on the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language, in my case of course French. So let me show it to you again. Tap on it, hold it and drag it to the very first position, and again it is changed. Of course you can remove the language from this list. All you have to do is to simply tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Now let's mark the one you would like to remove and tap on the trash bin icon. Let's tap on remove, and as you can see it immediately disappears. So actually this is it. This is how to change system language in your VIVO Y72 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.